Welcome back, JDE Professionals. Let's get right to it. We've started to move some of our guides to PDF format. We have a guide on automation, we have another on Orchestrator Studio, and the guide we're talking about today, the EnterpriseOne 32-bit Tools Release Upgrade Complete Reference. New tools releases are being released more frequently, and you should strive to keep them up to date, as each one has a lot of new features to help your business run more efficiently. For instance, the latest 925 tools release has many new features such as no E1 local. You can now do a package from a web client. You can manage all objects from a web client. And virtual job queues. To take advantage of all these new features, you have to upgrade to the new tools release. New tools releases are happening quite frequently, and the process changes depending on the tools release. So we created this guide for the 32-bit system. The guide is created for multi-platform and has instructions for Windows, AS400, as well as Unix. The guide is prepared with the latest tools release 9251. Also, it will be updated for new tools releases, so if you have this guide, the information for all subsequent tools releases will be at your fingertips. If you're working on a 32-bit system, no matter the platform, you go to this guide and follow the steps. Let's take a look at the table of contents. This guide is currently 164 pages and most likely will grow depending on future tools releases. It starts with the MTR, it helps you download the tools release, and the changes. The tools release changes are crucial changes that you cannot do in one day on your production system. You need to test in DB, then test in PY. At that point, you've done it twice. Everything has been tested, and you're now familiar with the steps to do PD. Therefore, you'll have multi-foundation, which requires you to know how to configure multi-foundation, which you'll find in the section of the guide for all platforms and segregated by operating system and server type. So this is the multi-foundation configuration for Windows platform. Then you have Unix, multi-foundation configuration for the Unix platform. If you have Unix, you'll use this section. And finally, we have AS400, multi-foundation configuration for the AS400 platform. So you've downloaded tools release, your multi-foundation is ready. Now you're going to proceed with the tools release upgrade. These are the sections you'll follow. Server Manager, Deployment Server, Enterprise Server, the Planner ESUs, the Application Enhancement ESUs, and the Automated Special Instructions. Once the ESUs are done, then you need to do a full package. So this section is crucial and requires more time to complete. Also, there are changes in the 9.25 package build activity to be mindful of. Once your package is ready, you can upgrade your HTML instance, your AIS instance, and your RTE transaction instance, and finally your development client tools release. Finally, after that, you build a BSSV package and deploy it to the BSSV server. At this point, all your servers are upgraded. To get an idea of the detail in the guide, let's click on Download Tools Release Installer, and it takes us directly to that section. Depending on the tools release you need, it shows you how to download the software. This guide helps you to update your knowledge on multiple platforms. It's a must-have guide if you want to upgrade your EnterpriseOne system in 32-bit. The 64-bit tools release upgrade guide is being compiled and will be ready soon. This is a must-have guide that deepens your knowledge of tools release upgrades on all platforms for all servers from the download right through to production go live. It sells for $999 USD and will pay for itself with the hours you save in just one TR upgrade. You will use it for many more than that. So at that point, it will be virtually free. That's all for now. Bye-bye.